Welcome to My Class Admin. In this video, we'll see how to add a new student with his payment process and how to generate a fee receipt of a student by using print option. First, we have to log in. Then on the left hand side bar, there is the option of manage data. Then click on student. We want to add a new student, then click on new student. Now we have to fill a personal details of the student. I have already filled these details. Here make sure the biometric ID should not be repeated. And here in student's email ID, enter correct email ID so that student will automatically receive a student login of My Class Admin. Fill academic, guardian and address details. And now click on Save and Proceed. Now provide a student data. Select the course, year, batch and select the package of subjects. You can save this inquiry or you can proceed to payment. Now provide a form number and roll number. Here in the fee section, you can see the net, GST and gross amount of fee. If you want to add the discount, then click here on add discount. Select the discount type. I'm selecting manual. Enter the discount amount. Now the gross amount of fee is 10,000 rupees. Now select the payment method. In lump sum method, you will get two ways to pay the fee. First is by cash and second is by check. In installment with balance, first is your down payment, and if you want to add next installments, then click here, select future installment date and enter installment amount. In installment with balance, down payment with check, this is for down payment. Admin needs to fill this information. For adding next installment, click here, select the future installment date, enter installment amount. Now in the installments with PDC, first is your down payment which is received. Select date and provide check details, check number, bank name, branch name and provide amount of down payment. Now click on add PDC, post dated check for installments. Now we'll see other method of payment, installments with PDC, down payment with cash. This is for a down payment in cash. Enter amount for the down payment. If you have received the check, then click here on received and fill the check details. And if you have not received the check, then remove this tick and select the future date and provide installment amount. And now click on submit button. If you want to print the institute receipt copy, then click on OK. We have created a fee receipt. This is our header. Here, student will get to know the payment type, total amount of fee, the amount they have paid as a down payment, and this is balance fee. There is also option of signature. The note which we have entered in fee settings will show here. So, this is how we can add the students and can make arrangement of fee by using various methods of payment. In our next video, we'll see how to check students' balance fee, their status of check, and how we can add future dates installments. Thank you.